This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard-boiled eggs in the microwave. It's crucial to understand that microwaving a whole, unpierced egg can be quite dangerous, as the internal pressure can cause it to explode. But don't worry, with a few simple steps, you can safely achieve perfectly cooked eggs. We'll walk through the entire process, ensuring a delicious and safe outcome every time. First, let's prepare our eggs. Take a thumbtack or a safety pin and gently pierce the large end of each egg. This tiny hole helps release steam and prevents explosions. Next, place your eggs in a microwave-safe bowl and cover them completely with water. Ensure there's at least 1 inch of water above the eggs. Finally, add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt to the water. This helps prevent cracking and aids in cooking. Now for the microwaving process. Place your bowl in the microwave and cook on high power for 3 to 4 minutes. After the cooking time, do not remove the eggs immediately. Instead, let them stand in the hot water for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is essential for the eggs to finish cooking through. Remember, cooking times may vary slightly depending on your microwave's specific wattage. Once the resting time is complete, carefully transfer your eggs from the hot water into an ice bath. This rapid cooling stops the cooking process and helps prevent that greenish ring around the yolk. Let them cool in the ice bath for at least 5 minutes. When you're ready to peel, do so under cold running water. This makes the shells much easier to remove, giving you perfectly smooth, hard-boiled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.